In this video, you'll learn how to deposit money onto your Binance card. By following these steps, you will ensure that your card is funded and ready for transactions. Begin by logging into your Binance account. Once you are logged in, locate the wallet option in the main menu. Click on it to access your wallet overview. Here, you will find your account balances and options for depositing funds. To fund your spot wallet, you can deposit either fiat currency or cryptocurrency. Select your preferred method, which may include bank transfer, card payment, or crypto deposit. After making your deposit, verify that the funds have successfully appeared in your available balance. This is crucial as the Binance card draws from the funding source linked to it. Ensure your balance is sufficient before moving on to the next step. Next, navigate to the transfer tool within the wallet section. This tool allows you to move your funds as needed. If your Binance card utilizes a funding balance, you will need to transfer the funds from your spot wallet to your funding wallet. Select the specific asset you wish to use for spending. Enter the amount you want to transfer and confirm the direction of the transfer carefully. It is important to ensure the accuracy of this step to avoid any complications. After the transfer is complete, proceed to the Binance card section within the app. Here, you will be able to check your available spending balance. Make sure that the correct asset is prioritized for payments, as this will determine which funds are used for transactions. Once you've confirmed that your Binance card is funded, it is now ready for transactions. That wraps up today's guide. Catch you in the next tutorial.